Hey there, welcome back to Next Level English. Today, we're jumping into 40 sentence errors quiz. Can you spot and fix the mistakes? Sharpen your eyes and let's get started. 1. Choose the correct sentence. I don't have any time. Tips: avoid double negatives. 2. Which of these is correct? They were late to the party. Tips: use were for plurals. 3. Which sentence is correct? I need to speak to her. Tips: use her as the object. 4. Make the correction: she don't like to play football. She doesn't like to play football. Tips: use doesn't for third person singular. 5. Make the correction: him and I went to the store. He and I went to the store. Tips: use he and I, not him and I. 6. Make the correction: he is more smarter than me. He is smarter than me. Tips: avoid double comparatives like more smarter. 7. Make the correction: she was running faster than him. She was running faster than him. Tips: use than for comparisons. 8. Make the correction: I haven't seen him since 2 years. I haven't seen him for 2 years. Tips: use for with time duration. 9. Make the correction: she sings beautiful. She sings beautifully. Tips: use beautifully to modify sings. 10. Make the correction: they will be arrive soon. They will arrive soon. Tips: arrive doesn't need be. 11. Make the correction: we are going to the park in the next weekend. We are going to the park next weekend. Tips: omit the before next weekend. 12. Make the correction: there is many people at the party. There are many people at the party. Tips: use are for plurals. 13. Make the correction: the children was playing outside. The children were playing outside. Tips: use were for plurals. 14. Make the correction: she has went to the store. She has gone to the store. Tips: use gone with has. 15. Make the correction, I wish I would go to the concert. I wish I could go to the concert. Tips, use could for unreal past wishes. 16. Make the correction, he don't have any idea about the plan. He doesn't have any idea about the plan. Tips, use don't for plurals. 17. Make the correction, I could have gone to the party. I could have gone to the party. Tips, use could have, not could have. 18. Make the correction, the book is laying on the table. The book is lying on the table. Tips, use lying for position. 19. Make the correction, I can play the piano good. I can play the piano well. Tips, use well to modify play. 20. Make the correction, we don't want no trouble. We don't want any trouble. Tips, use any for negative sentences. 21. Make the correction, if I was you, I would go there. If I were you, I would go there. Tips, use were with I. 22. Make the correction, they have been living in New York since 5 years. They have been living in New York for 5 years. Tips, use for time duration. 23. Make the correction, it's raining heavily, so I won't going out. It's raining heavily, so I won't go out. Tips, don't use going with won't for certainty. 24. Make the correction, he needs to quickly finish his homework. He needs to finish his homework quickly. Tips, use quickly to describe verbs. 25. Make the correction, she arrived early, but she leave quickly. She arrived early, but she left quickly. Tips, use left for past actions. 26. Make the correction, I didn't do nothing wrong. I didn't do anything wrong. Tips, avoid double negatives like didn't do nothing. 27. Make the correction, he has a better grades than me. He has better grades than me. Tips, use grades for plural subjects. 28. Make the correction, she can't hardly wait to see him. She can hardly wait to see him. Tips: use hardly for proper negation. 29. Make the correction: he don't like going to the gym. He doesn't like going to the gym. Tips: use doesn't with third person singular. 30. Choose the correctly punctuated sentence. I went to the store and I bought some milk. Tips: use commas to prevent ambiguity. 31. Make the correction: the teacher has gave us homework. Has given. Tips: use given for past participle. 32. Choose the correct form of the verb, she. The piano every day. Plays. Tips: use the correct verb form for third person singular. 33. Make the correction: I have went to the store earlier today. Have gone. Tips: use gone for past participle of go. 34. Which of the following is the correct sentence? I am taller than you. Tips: don't use more with comparative adjectives. 35. Select the sentence with the correct use of apostrophes. Dog's bone is missing. Tips: use an apostrophe for possession. 36. Make the correction: me and my friend went to the cinema. I. Tips: use I as the subject. 37. Choose the correct sentence. It's a beautiful day. Tips: use it's for it is. 38. Which of these sentences is correct? He didn't say anything. Tips: use the base form after didn't. 39. Choose the correctly formed sentence. Do you have a pen? Tips: use do in questions. 40. Find the error in the sentence: she is more smarter than him. Smarter. Tips: avoid more with adjectives ending in er. How many errors did you catch? Share your score in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe for more fun grammar practice. Keep getting better, see you next time.